What's up, guys? JT with Resident Dog Fishing with you. Late March, early spring, and it is foggy and chilly this morning. But we're out here in Matlacha. We're gonna go after it. Tide's incoming all day, so let's see what we can get. Come on. Finally, fish on. Finally. There we go. On the new donkey rig. There's a little trout, but hey, that'll work. We are on the board. Fish on, fish on. Oh, I got a double. Holy shit. Look at that. That donkey rig got a double. Look at that. GoPro, start recording. All right. Number 2. Crazy. That's freaking cool. Fish on, fish on. And there we go, just like that. Don't matter. Shrimp, live bait. There's some decent trout on this flat. There we go. Okay. Alright, dude. Oh. A little minor surgery, but we're good to go. So let me show you what I've used today. First setup, kind of neat. Never really thought about it until the other day. But you can see I've got two Alabama leprechauns rigged in tandem, called a donkey rig or tandem rig, whatever you want to use it. I'm fishing them the same way that I would fish a regular, just a single one, but it just draws a lot more attention. You bring them closer together, you use them with a paddle tail or with a regular one. I'm using that and a timeless rig that never fails. It is a good old shrimp under a popping cork. Timeless against the mangroves for redfish, for snook, on the flats for trout. Just rig your float for about as much water depth as you've got, and pretty simple. Really doesn't matter the size shrimp. So we've been working the flats, the grass flats, and picking off trout left and right. Haven't been able to find a redfish or a snook yet today, but doesn't matter. As long as we keep the lines tight, that's what matters. So we're back. Got the boat all cleaned up and put away. Was going through the footage, and unfortunately the GoPro on the side of the boat, something happened and I lost all my footage. I had to reformat the SD card. First time that's ever happened, which sucks, but it is what it is. Just all the footage from the side of the boat, me holding the fish, and some good running footage, but hopefully it was a glitch one time. But this should be the last video until we go to Tennessee. So hopefully the next one will be from Gatlinburg, Tennessee, and I'll be hooked up with some river trout. not speckled sea trout like I had today. Smash that like and subscribe button so you don't miss the footage from Gatlinburg. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.